What's up, y'all? It's JD. Today we are windowing a neck on a 75 Shovelhead. This is something I've always wanted to do. Don't know why I haven't done it in the past on my previous builds, but you know, I've been granted this this project from a good buddy of mine to let me build a bike and kind of do what I want with it. And the other day I saw Brian Butera post a picture of a frame neck that he recently windowed, and man, it just looked awesome. So I reached out to him. I was like, yo man, you mind if I kind of copy what you did? And he gave me the go ahead, and yeah, so here we are. I'm kind of giving it my best shot with what I got to work with, and I'm kind of excited because it's already turning out pretty good. I wish I had a sandblaster, because getting all this paint off of this thing is just, it's been kind of miserable. But you know, these bikes take blood, sweat, and tears, and that's exactly what they're going to get. So appreciate you guys following the page. I'm going to try to post weekly, and you know, progress stuff on what I'm doing to this build. Going to be hand making a tank. I don't know if I'm going to go you know, tank from scratch. I think I'm going to start off with a shell, and then if you guys have followed any of my other builds or been a fan or not, but I like to do split tanks on a lot of my bikes here lately. So I think I'm going to carry on that tradition and keep going with that. I'm going to hand make an oil bag. I got a fender that's coming. I'm not going to make the fender from scratch. So I got a fender that's coming. I will modify it and kind of zhuzh it up, put a little razzle dazzle in it, I like to say. And yeah, if you guys like it, man, just hit that like, hit that subscribe, follow the pages, and follow along. And I'm gonna try to make this cool. I'm weird about this. It's weird being behind the camera, but yeah, it is what it is. We're gonna try and have some fun with it, because either way, I'm building bikes and I'm gonna record it, and might as well just post it up. So yeah, stay tuned, follow along. We're gonna drop this evening.
Clock scream, sneakers hit pavement, yeah, baby. Knuckles grind chrome while the city take pavement. Every step cracks ice on tomorrow's staircase. Breath turns to smoke where the hunger won't wait. Pressure make diamonds and fistfuls of gravel. Tempo locked tight like a piston unravel. Chain links rattle where the daylight gets chained, but souls keep traction when the storm meets the flame. Higher, higher, wires catch fire. Echoes bounce off the canyon's cold choir. Dawn cracks the whip where the night expires. Every scar's a ladder wrong, climbing through fire. Higher, higher, shadow drowns higher. Rising bands, but the grip won't tire. Concrete blooms where the dreams conspire. Count the miles in the acre desire. Calluses map all the subway train rhythm. Bank vault dreams split through prism of wisdom. Third floor lights cut the fog into fragments. Hustle's a hammer breaking mirrors to fragments. Pressure make diamonds and fistfuls of gravel. Tempo locked tight like a piston unravel. Chain links rattle where the daylight gets chained, but souls keep traction when the storm meets the flame. Higher, higher, wires catch fire. Echoes bounce off the canyon's cold choir. Dawn cracks the whip where the night expires. Every scar's a ladder wrong, climbing through fire. Higher, higher, shadow drowns higher. Rising bands, but the grip won't tire. Concrete blooms where the dreams conspire. Count the miles in the acre desire. Summit line blurs where the skyline converge. Fingertips spark on the steel river's crust. Farmers just sweat crystallized into trust. Bank the game when the grind turns to lust. Higher, higher, wires catch fire. Echoes bounce off the canyon's cold choir. Dawn cracks the whip where the night expires. Every scar's a ladder wrong, climbing through fire. Higher, higher, shadow drowns higher. Rising bands, but the grip won't tire. Concrete blooms where the dreams conspire. miles in the egg of this ice. Mountain cold, never fall. Gold chrome home, breath become